Hi, my name is Sharon Armstrong. I'm here to present my community of Sims, Alabama through words and pictures. One of the readings that we had this week talked about a good community from the Ohio State University fact sheets. It says seeking a good community. Did you ever stop to think about what makes a good community a good place to live? I would consider my community of Sims, Alabama as a good community and a great place to live. Sims, Alabama was established in May of 2011. I moved to Sims in 2007. The city of Sims was incorporated as a municipality recognized by the state of Alabama in May of this year, and we celebrated our fifth anniversary as a city overall. Sims is a town in western Mobile County, Alabama. I know many of you may not know where Mobile is. Alabama has several different entities and little small counties, but Mobile, Alabama is a city part of um, Mobile County, and Sims is just one of the smaller cities within the municipality of Mobile County. Mobile is in the Mobile Metropolitan Statistical Area. It was formerly an unincorporated community, and the voters of Sims approved the incorporation as a part of a community in 2010. Um, the town was officially declared incorporated on May 2nd, 2011, by our current probate judge, Don Davis. And as you can see, I have the references down there, the homefacts.com, city, Alabama, Mobile, and slash Sims. The demographics of Sims, it varies. Once upon a time, it was primarily Caucasians in Sims. Now it's probably half and half Caucasians and African Americans because of the growth that we've had in the area. There are many divisions and subcultures that have formed subdivisions and units together. Back in 2007, the male population was 49%, 49.9. The females were over 8,000, which was like 50%. The median range of age was 33 years old, and the Alabama median age range was 35. Current facts, the population has grown since July of 2016. We have over 3,000 individuals in the city of Sims. The housing units, we have about 1,300. Occupied housing is like 75%. 75%. Like I said, that we do have a lot of growth out here. So there are like 4% of vacant housing, and you can look at the rest of it: the median income, the median home value in Sims, Alabama, as well as the average household of 2.6 individuals. I thought that the median income was really interesting. The average household income was $57,000, and the median income is 43, which I thought was really interesting for this part of town. And being in a lower part of Alabama, um, there are limited jobs here, so many people work and live paycheck to paycheck here. Just look at the growing, how Sims has grown over the years. Over the past few months, Sims has annexed over 132 properties, increasing the geographical size of Mobile County, newest municipality, to about 25%. Um, that the population has increased over that time from 2,903 to 3,115 individuals. Okay, the races, as I spoke on earlier, um, white alone, 548 point, no, 548, which is average 3.1%. Black alone, 228, which that's about 1.3%. So I was primarily wrong with the 50%. Hispanic, 0.8%. Two or more races is like 6% in Sims. Native Hawaiian and other specific islanders about make up about 10%, and you can look at that more statistical data at citydata.com/SIMS. The weather here in Mobile, Alabama varies. However, the city of Sims, I thought it was interesting that we've had minimal natural disasters. We hardly have earthquakes. It's not a flood zone, so we don't have to worry about floods here. We are in a popular area as far as hurricanes. However, we hadn't had a major hurricane for a few years now. We do have a high risk of tornadoes because Mobile, Alabama is surrounded by lots of water and everything. Um, but currently, we've we have not had any rain for about 47 days at this point. So we're really looking for some rain here in Mobile, Alabama/Sims because we're all there together. The quality, let me look back here. Okay. Let's go to crime facts. I kind of skipped and got ahead of myself. Crime facts in Sims, below average, above average. We don't have a whole lot of crime here in Sims. Like I said, it's kind of small considering the larger side of Mobile, Alabama. So it is sort of small, a portion of Mobile, Alabama. So you can just look at the slide that I have there and look at those facts. I thought it was really interesting that it says below average and above average. 99% personal crime risk, 100 murder risk, which I was astounded by that because I didn't realize that that much took place here in Sims, even though I live here. Sims is in the area of Sims, Mobile County, with a population of 35,456. Here it's saying the 17,203 males. I guess that's different from what I previously, it actually is, I think. We can look at the unemployment numbers. Here are like 58% white collar employees, 42% blue collar employees in Sims, which I thought was really interesting because of the median income facts that we discussed. The crime rate, it says it's below national average, which is good. Like I said, we don't have much crime here. The more frequent crime is rape risk, while the least frequent is assault. So that's kind of disturbing, but things do happen, and we just have to make sure we're safe, people. The weather, 91 degrees, which that's around July. It is quite hot out here most of the time, and I have my reference there for that. You can look at that when, as you get a chance. The quality of life. The quality of life here is very good. The quality of life in Sim, it promotes unity, independence, and community influence and a sense of belonging because most people here, we work together, we're friendly towards each other. We all have the same common goal in mind, which is just embracing home ownership and making sure that we just take care of our property so that our property values will continue to increase versus decrease. So I thank you for listening to me, and I hope that we all have a good evening. Thank you so much.